Dopey Mountains in the Smolyan Lakes area. We are collecting these tiny little strawberries. They are so full of flavour. They're crazy. Look, here they are. They're so tiny. They are just fantastic, seriously. How many strawberries do you have?
I don't know.
Guess how many we have? The winner gets 10. So there's an abundance of wildlife and flowers just blooming everywhere. Just so beautiful to see fields full of beautiful flowers, butterflies, insects thriving. So upon walking today, look what I found. Mullein. Do you know what mullein is? And do you know how good for your lungs this is in a tea? Look at this beautiful plant, it's incredible. So this little guy looks a fun guy. This is a nice space that we found. I just wanted to show you this flurry of nature. Beautiful flowers, plants, insects in abundance. Little guy there. Beautiful. How beautiful is nature? You just can't beat it. And you may think I'm in a forest. But I'm actually at the side of the road across from where I live. So I'm so blessed. I love it. You don't need to pick flowers when you've got here. Wanted to share it with everyone. I just feel absolutely blessed.